So this is part 2 on the series about the supernatural and magic, in examining semi-scientific way summary of overall observations. So today we're going to talk about the afterlife. What is the afterlife? Now, there are two paradigms, two main schools of thought on the afterlife. One is that there is a heaven, and if you're good, you go to heaven when you die, hopefully reuniting with your family. The other school, and that's the Christian school. The other school is that there's reincarnation. Maybe at some point there's a heaven, and maybe there's a hell, but most people just get reincarnated into people, into animals, or a higher plane of existence. And that is the Buddhist school of thought, that people reincarnate. There are many other religions and traditions that also believe in reincarnation. There have been many observational anecdotes over the years about reincarnation, about memories from a past life, and some people report past memories from reincarnated memories from under hypnosis as well. So there probably is reincarnation. Obviously, there's no definitive proof, no measurement of available at this time, but there is probably reincarnation. But how do you square it against, say, the Christian system of heaven and hell, where you don't reincarnate? Because definitely the Bible does not talk about the possibility of reincarnation. It does not exclude that possibility either, but it doesn't exist. They don't talk about it. So now what is possible is that there could be multiple planes of existence as posited by the Buddhists. And the interesting thing is that the Buddhists believe that the life on earth, on this plane of existence, is kind of a living hell, that living is suffering, which is congruent with the Christian perspective that the prince of this world, the god of this world, is Lucifer, is Satan, that the material existence while Christians don't believe that the material existence is hell, it's pretty close to it. So it is possible that the Christianity is attempting to provide a direction, a method for people to ascend to heaven. And this, if you include reincarnation, that also solves the question in the atheist argument about what about non-Christians? Why is it that God and Christ condemn non-Christians without the possibility of salvation? And if you take a look, if you include reincarnation, then that solves that problem. That while God is omnipotent, that He does not directly control this plane of existence, and that people are stuck here, but that God has provided a way for us to transcend the material earthly existence. So, and definitely this is not necessarily original thought that other people may have arrived at this conclusion. There are definitely other syncretic thinkers that have attempted to do a unification theory on the supernatural of Eastern and Western traditions, but that appears to be the state of our collective knowledge at this time. Thank you, and stick around for next time on Jimmy Woo's theories of magic and the supernatural.